Tapos pumasok nga doon yung isang TV series, yung May Bukas Pa, which ang naging basihan noon ay yung kung paano bumangon mula sa isang kalamidad ang isang tao kung mayroon man siyang dinadaan ng krisis.
Hey guys! Welcome to Mama's Boys. In this program, we will meet priests from around the globe. We will discuss interesting features of their lives, from their humble beginnings, their calling, the churches, and more.
For today's episode, we are here at San Vicente Ferrer Parish, Calulut, City of San Fernando, Pampanga, Philippines, and we are going to know more about the life of Reverend Father Jesus Manabat Jr.
I am Father Jesus Garcia Manabat Jr. From Macabebe, San Nicolas de Tolentino Parish. I am 52 years old and we are 9 in the family. I was ordained as a priest in the year 1994, April 7. And if you try to calculate the timeline, I am now in my 26 years in the ministry. So my present assignment now is San Vicente Ferrer Parish, Calulut, San Fernando. But at the same time, as the director of the Cruzada de Penitencia y Caridad, this is one of our famous devotion in our province of Pampanga. From elementary, I studied at Cadwantete Elementary School in Macabebe, and then from high school, I graduated from University of the Assumption. Then when I entered the seminary, at first I was in Rogationist congregation. That is only for 1 year. Then I transferred to Mother of Good Counsel Seminary. And tuloy-tuloy po yun. Until I was ordained as a priest in 1994. We are 9 in the family. Pang-5 ako sa magkakapatid. Tapos 2 kaming pare. Yung our eldest brother, si Father Mark, is also a priest. He is now the parish priest of St. Catherine of Alexandria at Arayat. Siguro yung kung titignan natin yung family background ko, malaki yung pamilya namin. Isa sa mga magandang experience ko sa family, yung mga magulang ko, my parents are actually very religious. So si nanay tsaka si tatay, sila yung mga talagang naging, kung titignan natin, sila yung nagtanim ng binhi sa pananampalataya, because one of our, ako inuulit ko parati ito sa kwento ko, na ang mga magulang ko, sila yung malaking impluwensya sa pagpapare sa akin, plus yung sa kapatid ko. Kasi from my family, especially from my parents, madasalin kasi sila. Hindi lang yung mga devotion na yung pagro-rosaryo, kundi talagang nagsisimba sila almost every week. Tapos may mga devotion sila sa mga santo, like sa San Nicolas de Tolentino, gayon din yung sa Apalit, kay Apong Iro. So nakikita ko yung kung paano nila kami hinubog sa pananampalataya. And at the same time, when my brother priest, si Father Mark, ay nasa seminaryo dito sa Olas, sa St. Francis, parati rin kami sa seminaryo. So pag binabalik-balikan ko yung mga karanasan ko, isa yun sa mga matinding palagay ko na naging dahilan kung bakit ako nakapasok ng seminaryo. And at the same time, when I was in high school, dahil nag-aaral ako sa University of the Assumption, nakikita ko rin yung seminaryo ng Mother of Good Counsel Seminary. And every day, habang ako ay nag-aaral doon, pumasok din ako ng Knights of the Blessed Sacrament mismo dito sa chancery kung saan nakalagak yung imahen ng Virgen de los Remedios, which now as the director of this krusada, pag binabalikan ko yung karanasan ko, I think iyon ang mga malaking ambag kung bakit ako nakapasok ng seminaryo. 1994 ako na-ordain. I was ordained April 7, 1994. So this is my 26 years in the ministry. My first assignment was as a chaplain of Saint dito sa Holy Family sa Angeles. But I stayed there for only 1 year. After 1 year, naging parish priest ako kaagad dito sa Lapungan, sa Senyor Salvador Parish sa Candaba. That was my first assignment. Then I stayed there for about 3 years. And then after 3 years, I was again became a parish priest of dito sa Christ the Prince of Priest Parish sa Mawake Resettlement as the first parish priest. Then I stayed there for about more than 4 years. Then after that, I was transferred to another parish at Jesus the Lamb of God Parish dito sa Pulong Masle, Mauli, Guagua. And then after Pulong Masle, San Guillermo Parish dito sa Bacolor. I stayed there for about 6 years, and it was in that parish when marami akong naging karanasan because for 6 years, that was my longest assignment as a parish priest. Then from that parish, I was transferred to another parish of Sacred Heart dito sa Palmayo. Isang magandang karanasan din yon dahil doon naman sa parokyang yon, maliban doon sa parish work, I had the chance to be part of the Aita community. So bahagi sila ng aming mga karanasan, bahagi sila ng aming apostolate doon sa parish ng Sacred Heart. Then from that parish, San Jose Malino dito sa Mexico, and now dito sa San Vicente. So kung titignan natin, this is my 7th parish already. Tapos 2 special ministry, yung sa Archdiocesan Youth Director and the Crusada ng Dependencia y Caridad. Siguro akmang-akma lang nagkataon yung pagka-assign ko doon. During that time, we were actually trying to restore the place, the church, and even the whole community. Dahil alam naman natin kung anong nangyari sa San Guillermo Parish. Tapos pumasok nga doon yung isang TV series, yung May Bukas Pa, which ang naging basihan noon ay yung kung paano bumangon mula sa isang kalamidad ang isang tao kung mayroon man siyang dinadaan ng krisis. So akmang-akma yung May Bukas Pa yung sa pag-stay ko doon sa San Guillermo. Tapos it took about a year, more than a year para to run yung TV series na May Bukas Pa. At napakaganda ng naging effect kasi maliban sa magagaling yung mga cast ng May Bukas Pa at malakas yung appeal ng bata na si Santino, maganda rin na naging venue yung May Bukas Pa para pabalikin at pauwiin muli yung mga taga Bacolor from doon sa istoryang iyon dahil nakita nila na buhay pa pala ang buhay ang parokyang ito at parang nagbigay sila ng pag-asa na makita nila kung paano bumangon.
Tune in for the second episode of Mama's Boys featuring Father Jess Manabat.
There you have it, guys. Thank you for joining us in this episode of Mama's Boys. Hope to see you in our future episode. This has been your host, Karen Dane. Jamatane!